Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone unfriended you on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to know if someone unfriended you on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app. Guys, you will only be able to know if someone has unfriended you on their Snapchat is by going to your friend list. At the top left corner of your screen you can see there is a Bitmoji icon, and over here guys scroll down to your friend list, and all of your friends whom are a contact, if they are still friends with you, their snap score will be available to you. You can see there is the snap score, and let's go back and scroll down. You can see this one as I have unfriended him or he has unfriended me, so there is no snap score available for us. So this way you can find out if someone has unfriended you on Snapchat. And if you guys found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.